Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle in question is this approved used Audi A3 Saloon S-Line 35 TFSI with the S-Tronic gearbox. Now this particular example is finished in the optional Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork, which has really given this vehicle that standout appearance. Now as we look towards the key features, and with this being the S-Line trim level, it has been the vehicle benefits from the S-Line styling at the front and also with the rear diffuser, the side profile and that boot lip spoiler. Besides this, the S-Line trim does come with the chrome window surrounds, chrome exhaust tips and the front grille. Moving on now to the exterior key features, we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the alloys now, we do find these exceptional 18-inch 5-arm design satin silver alloys, and they do really stand out against that lovely grey paint. To the side of the A3 now, there is the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants from view, so as continuing in lovely contrast. Moving into the rear boot space of the A3 Saloon now, where we do find up to 425 litres of storage capacity, which is a large amount for a vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate one larger suitcase as well as a few additional shopping bags. Now moving into the rear seats, we do find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. Besides this, there is a leather centre armrest which is fold down for added comfort, as well as having 2 extra cup holders. There are also Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, where there's more than enough leg space to accommodate 3 occupants. Moving into the front now, we do find a very well designed and high quality interior, with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, alcantara, aluminium and gloss black. With this being the S-Line model, it has meant you get the full leather seats in which you have the additional white stitching and the S-Line logos. Above now there is the virtual cockpit display, which is of a lovely design and does feature the 2 digital speedometers. You can also access the navigation, radio station and vehicle information. To the centre of the dashboard now, we do find the MMI touchscreen display, in which is featured the satellite navigation, and you can also access Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And just below this, we do find 2 useful cup holders for the front occupants, as well as a 12-volt socket and the automatic handbrake. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months of roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.